Today guys, papakita ko sa inyo my unboxing and quick impression nitong bagong realme C55. And I can say na definitely it's a wow dahil it's a big step up over sa mga ibang C-series na nakawakan ko. But before that, of course, let's start with a quick unboxing. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the realme C55 and like always, it's a yellow box na very simple lang siya and with a big print na C55 by Realme. And sa gilid, ganito din ang print niya. And here you can see that I have here is the color rainforest, Realme logo. And sa likod, we can see some of the specs that is highlighted for this phone. 64MP na camera, 33 watts na superbook charge. Probably the first time dito on a C-series. 5,000 milliampere hours na battery, ultra slim design, 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, and of course, G88 na chipset. So tara, buksan natin. So kita natin, welcome to the Realme family, SIM ejector tool, indeed. So we have some documentation over here, and of course, a frosted black na jelly case. Malambot siya. Tingnan natin ang kanyang phone. This one is how it looks like. And we have the rainforest color green. So, kanyang camera ring is, well, of course, in line sa mga latest na mga smartphones na ganito. Dalawang malaking ring. Yung likod niya is, well, matte finish. So, definitely walang fingerprints. So, if you want added protection, do feel free to put this case on. But I feel na mas maganda siya pag wala. You have your Type-C charging cable. And probably for the first time ever on a C-series, 33 watts a superbook charge. So, itabi muna natin. Phone tour ko muna kayo. Sa likod, meron sa 64MP na main camera sensor. Sa ilalim, we have your audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, your loudspeaker. On the other side, fingerprint scanner, and of course, your volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, it's pretty clean. And on the other side, your SIM tray. So, sundutin lang natin. You have a triple card slot. Dalawang nano SIM, plus isang micro SD card. Now, pretty small din ang kanang punch hole dito, so definitely it's good. Yung kanang chin is not so thick either. So, ito ang kanyang home screen. Swiping left and right, definitely smooth dahil sa kanyang 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. So, you can calibrate your screen color mode, either set for vivid or natural, depende sa gusto niyo. So, you can also calibrate your screen refresh rate, either go for high for standard na 60 or auto select. Now, one of the first thing na tinest ko dito sa phone na ito is to use it sa social media. Chinek ko kung mabilis naman siya sa pag-swipe. Okay naman siya. I don't see any problem dito. As long as okay naman na yung internet, be it sa Facebook, sa TikTok, or sa other online na social apps. Now, thanks to its big display, 6.72-inch na display, this one is definitely okay when you're watching some videos dito sa YouTube, sa Netflix, and on other online streaming apps. Now, on my first impression sa kanyang camera, definitely was able to take in some really nice shots, and I was surprised for a C-series to take in some really nice shot like this one. And even the selfie camera is definitely able to perform. Guys, kung interested kayo malaman everything about this phone, we'll be doing a full review for this one pretty soon. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi na ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Ota!